My name is Raymond Wong. I am the chef de cuisine of Seafire Steakhouse. Our restaurant is situated in the Atlantis, the Palm Hotel in Dubai. We are a New York themed steakhouse which specializes in top cuts of beef from around the world. Our signature grain-fed meat comes from Australia, Rangers Valley, a full-blooded Angus beef, grain-fed a minimum of 250 days. This gives the meat a high marbling score. We cook our steaks on the charcoal grill. We sear them off first, and then we flash them in the Jasper grill to heat up, and it also gives a nice smoky flavor. My team ranges from 5 different nationalities. We have my sous chef, which comes from Mexico. We have other chefs which come from Sri Lanka, India, Filipino, and myself from Scotland with an Asian background. My kitchen philosophy is cook with passion or not at all. Enjoy what you do in the kitchen. Surround yourself with people as passionate as you are. Learn from each other, challenge each other. My job as chef de cuisine is to lead Seafire to be the best steakhouse in Dubai. We create unique dishes which can only be found in Seafire. Special features we have in Seafire, we have our dry agers, which are situated in the front door, so when the guests walk past they can see the display of all our signature meats. We also feature a wine cellar with 170 different types of wines. We also hold high-end wines for discerning guests. What makes Seafire so unique? We tailor our guest experience to suit them. We give the guest the choice of meats, the choice of steak cuts, the choice of steak knives, and even the choice of salt which they put on their steaks.